Hey, do you want to speak English like a native, faster than you ever thought possible?
Yeah, imagine repeating words and sentences in English. And suddenly, your speaking becomes smoother, your pronunciation gets better, and your confidence skyrockets.
Sounds like magic, right? Well, today it almost is. Because we're going to teach you the shadowing technique, one of the fastest ways to speak English like a pro.
Welcome back to the Real English with Ak, where learning English is easy, fun, and sometimes a little silly.
That's right. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul.
Today, we're going to show you a simple, powerful method called the shadowing technique. It's perfect for beginners and intermediate learners, like you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to practice it step by step, and we'll even give you some mini exercises to try out. Plus, a few pro tips that most learners don't know, but will give you an edge.
So, first question. Emily, what exactly is shadowing?
Good question. Shadowing is when you listen to English and speak at the same time, almost like you're following a shadow.
So the English words are like a shadow and we follow them exactly?
Exactly. You repeat the sounds, the rhythm, even the intonation, just like a mirror.
That sounds simple, but does it really work?
Oh, yes. And beginners love it because it trains your mouth, ears, and brain together.
Can you show us how to start, step by step?
Sure. Let's break it down into 4 easy steps.
Step 1.
First, pick a short audio or video in English.
For beginners, we recommend something 1 to 2 minutes long. Don't choose a movie scene yet. It can be too fast.
Yes. You can use podcasts, YouTube clips, or English learning apps. The key is, it must be clear and slow enough to follow.
Example. A short podcast like, Hello English. Let's talk about daily life.
Perfect. Once you have your audio ready, listen to it once or twice, just to understand the meaning.
Step 2. Now the fun part. Play the audio again and repeat everything you hear immediately. Don't worry about mistakes.
Say the words exactly like the speaker. Try to copy their tone, stress, and rhythm.
For example, if the audio says, Good morning, how are you today?
Exactly. Repeat it 2 or 3 times until it feels natural.
And here's a tip. Don't pause too much. The faster you follow, the better your mouth and brain sync.
Sometimes a full sentence is too long. That's okay. Break it into smaller parts.
For example, Good morning. Repeat 3 times. How are you today? Repeat 3 times.
Once you're confident with the chunks, connect them back into full sentences.
Think of it like building with Lego. Start small, then click the pieces together.
Here's the next level. Record your voice.
Yes. Play the audio again, shadow it, and record your own voice at the same time.
Then listen carefully and compare. Ask yourself, did I copy the rhythm? Did I copy the intonation? Do I sound natural?
Don't worry if you don't sound perfect. Even tiny improvements every day add up fast.
Okay, let's do a quick exercise together. Repeat after us. I love learning English every day.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I love learning English every day.
I love learning English every day.
Great, now try. Speaking English is fun and easy.
Again, say it out loud with us.
Notice how your mouth starts to feel the rhythm of English naturally? That's the magic of shadowing.
Time for some pro tips that make shadowing even more effective. 1. Consistency is key. 10 to 15 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. 2. Start slow, then speed up. Don't try to mimic fast speech immediately. 3. Focus on pronunciation, not grammar. Shadowing trains your mouth and ears first. Grammar will come naturally. 4. Use subtitles carefully. Look at them if you need, but try to shadow without reading as soon as you can. 5. Have fun. Imagine you're acting in a mini English play. Make it dramatic if you want.
Oh, and here's a fun little tip. Make silly voices sometimes. Copy funny accents or sounds. It's okay to sound silly. Your brain learns faster when it's having fun.
Did you know? Some top language learners use shadowing for hours every day, just like musicians practicing an instrument.
English isn't just words, it's music. And your mouth and ears are the instruments. Shadowing turns you into a musician of English. All right, your challenge for today. 1. Pick a 1-minute English audio. 2. Shadow it twice today. 3. Record yourself once. 4. Notice one improvement.
Do it for 5 days straight. You'll be surprised how much smoother your speaking becomes.
And here's a tip. Comment below what audio you tried. Let's cheer each other on.
Remember, practice doesn't have to be perfect, just consistent.
That's it for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the shadowing technique.
If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends who want to speak English faster.
And don't forget to try your shadowing exercise today. Your English future self will thank you.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you next time on the Real English with Ack channel.
Bye.
Bye.